First, open a web browser. Now, in the search bar, type VS Code download. Scroll down a bit to find the download link. Now click on Download Visual Studio Code for Mac, Linux and Windows. Click on the blue button with the label Windows. Wait for a while until it is downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, click on it. Now accept the agreement by clicking on I accept the agreement. And then click on the next button to continue. Again, click on the next button. And once again, click on the next button. Mark these two checkboxes to quickly open the VS Code from any folder and also with the help of the command prompt. Then, click on the next button. Now click on the Install button. Wait for it to get installed. Once it is installed, click Finish. So here you can see the VS Code has been installed successfully. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.